Here and welcome to the trade recap and lesson for this evening, Tuesday, September 10th. We're going to get right into it here. For those of you that attended the budgeting webinar, that will be up, replayed here on YouTube, probably within the hour. I'm just getting it uploaded now. So that'll be up, and it'll also be up on X as well. So take a look for that. Now let's get into the recap. Took a couple of trades on Qs. Qs had a really nice setup into the 5 EMA. We opened up, we're underneath moving averages, looking for the push into that 5 EMA, and we got it. It was a very nice trade. One sec. So market opens up, pushes up into that 5 EMA, start averaging in with a high conviction trade, and then simply just reap the rewards all the way down. As it came down into within a point right at yesterday's highs, I went long as well. So locking in on the short, $5,145. The long here as well. Now I started in early, and it's not so much an early start in. So what I'm looking for in these situations, because it's very easy with this rounding effect, and it started showing its true colors later on. It looks more like a bear flag more than like a day two continuation. So on these day two continuations, it's not quite a traditional day two continuation. I want a day two over moving averages. But the way the market has been with, squeezing and trapping and everything else, I'm looking for a potential trade on first pullback. So I got in as it was pulling back into pre-market highs. Now that initial position, that initial entry is a very small starter position. It's not a big position at all. It's a small starting position. And then as it's coming down into those highs, that's where I'm starting to apply pressure. And then once it comes in, I'm just getting out. I'm just looking for a quick little bounce. I've already made my money on the short, so I'm not going to get greedy and look for some huge banger of a trade. That's not the intention there. So locking in an additional $1,425 on that. So overall, pretty nice day. Locking in about $6,500 on the day, all within the first, half an hour of the market open. So again, thank you for all of those who attended the budgeting webinar. If you haven't, go check it out. It's one of the most important webinars I've ever done when it comes to actually transitioning into a full-time trader. This is stuff that people do not think about in their trading path. It's something that's always in the back burner, but they never really take action on it. It's important. So definitely go watch it. And on that note, folks, I'm going to rock and roll. If you want to learn to become, or if you want to become a professional, full-time, consistent trader, come to tricktrades.com. We have a swing trading webinar coming up as well. We're going to be doing webinars once a month moving forward. So don't miss those. It's going to be action-packed. And I'm going to be giving you the full swing trading strategy. So if that's what you're looking for a strategy, I'm going to give you that. I'm not going to hold anything back. You have my word on that. I'm going to show you how to enter, how to exit, how to do everything. I'm going to show you everything in this webinar. So make sure you attend. That should be happening in about 2 to 3 weeks. Make sure you have your eyes peeled. We'll see you there. Adios, folks.